What's going on, guys? Today we have a 201 Chevy Express. If you look around YouTube, you're not going to find the 201 Express, the thermostat. You're only going to find from 203 to up down, but this is 201. I can let you see the our 201 Chevy 2500 Express looks like. So today we're going to replace the thermostat. While we're actually replacing thermostat right there, right, we're also going to replace this temp sensor cooler as well. So basically it's so easy to part out. This is just the thing that's in front of it. This, if you can actually take this out, it's going to come out, disconnect. You're going to disconnect one right here, disconnect that, and after that, this is also in there all as well. Hook up to that. So once you can take all that out, so then you're gonna have the thermostat housing right there. So you can see that actually what the van was doing this morning is doing overheating. So you have this is a 15 millimeter to take the bolt on this out, and there's another bolt over on the other side out. So there's one bolt right here, there's another bolt on the other side. You gotta take it out, but right now it's so hot, that's why I'm just being careful. To take this one out, I think this is gonna be a 17 millimeter to take this temp sensor out all as well. It's gonna be 17 millimeter to take that one out. So and after that, once you be able to take that out, you should be able to swap this to change this out, and also to once you bring this out, you'll be able to see the thermostat. Just watch this video, come with me, and I'll show you how this has been done. So guys, I was able to take the old temp sensor off. This is the new one right here. Right there is the old one, so I have to use 19 millimeter socket to actually bring it out. So but I'm still having difficulties to bring the thermostat housing out, because the bolt at the back over there is tight, but I'll keep working on it. So just follow me in this journey. So this can just go back the way you took the old one out. See, this is the new one. I bought it from eBay. So but right now we gotta get to that out. So guys, so I was able to take the bolt out from the back. This was actually in my way, so I have to lift it up. There are two things holding it right here, holding it in place, but I just push it up, and now you can see, now I have access to the thermostat. You can see right there. So all I have to do is just pop it out. I just pop it out, maybe stuck open or something like that. That's why, yeah. So that's the way it just popped out. So I bring it out real easy. It's hot. It's hot though. So hot, you see. So oh yeah, right there. So I have the new one. I have the new one right here with the rubber seal on it, everything. So all I just have to do, the way I took it out, I put it back together. That's it. So that's how you replace the thermostat on a 201 Chevy Express 2500.